This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your quarterly taxes step by step. We'll cover who needs to pay estimated taxes, the important due dates you need to remember, and the specific forms required for a smooth filing process. This guide will help you navigate the system, ensuring you meet your obligations and avoid any surprises. Let's get started on understanding this essential financial task. The first crucial step is to accurately estimate your taxable income for the entire year. This involves projecting your earnings from all sources, including self-employment, investments, and any other income not subject to withholding. You'll use Form 1040-S, Estimated Tax for Individuals, to help calculate your expected tax liability. Taking the time to make a careful estimate now can prevent underpayment penalties later on. Quarterly estimated tax payments have specific due dates throughout the year. Generally, payments are due on April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of the following year. If any of these dates fall on a weekend or holiday, the deadline shifts to the next business day. You can pay electronically through the IRS Direct Pay system or by mailing a check with a payment voucher from Form 1040-S. To avoid underpayment penalties, it's vital to pay enough estimated tax throughout the year. Generally, you must pay at least 90% of your current year's tax liability or 100% of your previous year's tax liability, whichever is smaller. For higher income taxpayers, this percentage can be 110%. Maintaining meticulous records of all income and expenses is also crucial for accurate reporting and future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.